all for joining us here today at this remarkable event. It's a pleasure to be here at the Thilakawardhana Cellular Group for its official iPhone 15 launch event. First and foremost, I'm thrilled to announce that Thilakawardhana Cellular Group has now become the Authorized Apple Reseller in Sri Lanka. This partnership provides access to the latest Apple products y'all have expected so far. Thilakawardhana Cellular Group promises its top-tier customers with a generous 2-year warranty and also genuine Apple products provided by the Genex company. With each iPhone purchase, you will receive a complimentary charger, a phone back cover, screen protector and one screen replacement during the warranty period. All these fantastic offers are now available at the Thilakawardhana outlets across Sri Lanka. We are here to enhance your Apple experience. Thank you very much for being here and sharing in this momentous occasion. Stay tuned for more surprises and most importantly, enjoy the remarkable experience of iPhone 15 with Thilakawardhana. Thank you so much.